Morning. It's Monday. I had to have a little think then. It's Monday. The house is quiet. There are no children here. For the first time in... So what? Yeah, I had them all of half term, all the weekend. Ben was here for a few hours on Thursday, but the rest of it, I did it fucking solo. Oh, you're welcome for that. I just did a Degusta box unboxing, and I tried something and it was horrendous. And that was what I just burped. So it wasn't a nice burp, just in case you were wondering if it was a nice one or not. It wasn't. Yeah, so I did the whole of half term by myself. I'm so proud of myself. And we did something every day. It is 10:37. I've got Lady coming today to do an inspection on my utility room so I can start making cakes again. I thought she was supposed to be here at 10. I can't find the email that she sent me. I can't find her phone number. I've got it on my calendar that she was coming today at 10. And she's not here yet, so I'm very confused. And I want to go outside because I can show you. Is she here now? No, I'm going to show you what I've done outside. I say I've done. Tiger came round. Tiger's... Oh, I've got another bear. Tiger's my next door neighbour. Who's the amazing one. Oh, shit, it's cold. And obviously I got the skip, so me and the kids started loading it, but there was some big bits, like the big bits of the shed, that I couldn't do. So Tiger came around yesterday morning before we went to the zoo with a chainsaw, just chopped it all up for me. So this is all clear now. I just need to like sweep up all the sawdust and stuff. All this has been, there's a few little bits here I need to put in the skip. He started chopping up loads of old timber that I'd got, so I can put it in my wood store. He's going to chop all that as well. This I've just got to put in the skip, and then this is all kindling. So like it's such a difference just from getting rid of that shed. It's just made such a massive difference. So once this woman's been today, I'm going to come out and I'm going to just pick up all the crap and just get rid of everything so that the garden is nice. Now the weather's getting nice, I want to be able to stay out here with the kids, and I want the kids to be able to come and play out here. So that is my plan. I don't know where this woman is, and I've got my Ring doorbell, but I can't hear it, and my Wi-Fi is so shit. If I'm not in the house, it disconnects. So if I'm in the garden and she gets round, I'm not gonna be able to hear her. So I don't know what to do. But I'll show you the room. My utility room. It's all ready. Got my new little oven that I got for 20 quid on Facebook. Got my cleaning stuff. Mixer. Ingredients. That's like packaging and stuff. Tins. And then bowls. Oh, I need to wipe the microwave actually. Let's give that a little wipe. That's what I'm going to do now. But yeah, I just need her to turn up now so I can actually... Oh, it's good lighting. Oh, it's good lighting here. Maybe I'll just film everything in here. Use my ASMR. I can't remember what I was going back and say. It's gone. Yeah. No, thank you. The cats keep trying to come in. Whenever I'm in here, the cats are like at the door because they're like desperate to be near me, which they obviously can't be in here. So, oh, and I found something funny out the other day. So I've got the kids' initials. If I do that and then I do that, I can say jam, which amused me greatly. And it amused me and Aria as well. They thought that was absolutely hilarious. So jam. I'll talk to you in a bit.
I want to wear this today.
You want to wear that to bed? Yeah?
No, Mama.
Yeah?
Mama, what day is it today?
What day do you think it is? You told me a little while ago. It's Mama.
Mama, Monday.
It is Mama Monday.
Mama, I don't see a happy face.
Yeah, you show me a happy face. You do me a happy face. Can you do me a scared face? Can you do me a silly face? Did you have fun at nursery today? What did you do?
Do lots of building.
Yeah.
Mama, you see me on the picture.
Shall I see if there's anything on your thing?
On my tapestry.
On your tapestry, yeah. He wants me to check his tapestry and see if there's anything on it. Oh, my bloody Wi-Fi. Driving myself insane.
Don't matter, Mama.
Too fit. It's
Do fit, Mama.
too fit, Bubby. It's 5:30. Someone's getting a bit tired, aren't they?
Me.
Yeah. Oh, it won't let Mummy log in. I'll have to log in and then we'll come back and have a look at it. Okay? You want to put your pyjamas on and I'll get it working?
Huh?
Put that on. Take your nappy off. Put a new nappy on.
My little one go in the wash.
Yeah, that goes in the wash. Hoodie's okay, but t-shirt in the wash.
Mama, take it off.
Yep.
Let me go in the wash.
No, that's perfect for tomorrow. Good boy. I'm going to try and fix his app. I had my inspection today for my food hygiene, for selling the cakes again. And I took a picture of it. Oh my God, this bloody Wi-Fi. Oh, it's pissing me off so much. If I'm not on my phone, the Wi-Fi knocks me out. Just constantly. It is driving me bonkers. I must have to reconnect to it like 60 times a day. And look, I got my food hygiene rating. 5, baby. Fucking boom. Boom, baby. So I can start selling cakes again, which is exciting. I don't want to do it, but I need money. I'm skint. So selling cakes is what I'm going to do. I am going to just get his tapestry working, then I'll come back and talk to you in a bit. Foxy's just throwing the mother of all wobblies because he's tired. So I'll phone him his bed and I am done for the day. Yeah.